In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new URL redirect in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot global home and click onto this gear icon right here, which is your settings. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see all of the settings available onto your actual HubSpot. Onto this case, let's proceed to go to the domains and URL. Scroll down until you can find that right there. So if you can actually find it, you can proceed to also click onto this search bar and search right here for domains. This will actually make things easier and you don't need to actually change some things anymore. Alternatively, you can also just search right here for URL redirect and you can find it already from there. You can click on URL redirects. You can find it right here under the tools, domains and URLs, and you can see right here the URL redirect. Click on this add option. Then input right here the original URL. So for example, our original URL is homepage. And then let's redirect it into home. So this will be what it looks like. So it's actually a page from my site. After that, click on this add URL redirect and as you can see, it will be added right here. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.